You know, I got a lot of people asking me, how can I afford to feed my deuce and a half and drive it around pretty much everywhere? Well, I've got a secret and I'll show you. I make my own fuel. I use a blend of diesel fuel, gasoline, 2-cycle mix, used motor oil, and I put it in this tank. Then I pump it up. There's going to be a third barrel up here. I need another barrel. That's coming. Give me time. But then I filter it across water filters in decreasing microns, down to a 5 micron filter, down to a holding tank, and then I just pump it right into the fuel tank. Here, I'll show you. Are you fucking kidding me? God damn. Okay, please forgive the omission. I'm getting ready to go into town, and I'm at about a quarter of a tank. So I'm going to take my black diesel mix here, put it in there, turn on the primary holding tank, make sure my air vent's closed, and start using it with filtered motor oil and diesel. And it smells like I got gasoline in this mix too, which you got to be careful because gasoline will eat that tank, that tote. But I got more totes, so. Now, I don't drive the Deuce every day. If you own a Deuce and a half, you know you don't drive them every day. You can, but you're going to have to be prepared to fix everything every day. But yeah, that's how I feed her. Saving on fuel costs. I'm helping save the environment because I'm actually giving a place to utilize used motor oil, bad gasoline. Yeah, I'm recycling stuff. So, this truck's kind of greener than your Prius.